So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to images here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up your document. Once that is done, go to the top left-hand side of your screen, go to the insert button right here, press on that, then go to where it says pictures right here, press on the drop down, and then either add a photo from your photo browser, picture from files, stock images, or online pictures. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using online pictures just like this. Now, for example purposes, how about I go ahead and just select a photo of how about, what's a good example? How about a car, a nice car, whatever the case may be. This race car right here, I'll go ahead and press on insert. Now, once your photo is inserted and you want to add shadow around the image, it's pretty straightforward. Press the image right here. Go to the top left. There's a whole bunch of different images right here. If you actually were to go to a bunch of different options here to where it says picture effects, right beside where it says picture border, press on picture effects, press on the drop down here, and then where it says shadow, two options down, hover over top of that. As of right now, there's no shadow. If you want to add an outer shadow, you can go ahead and just select one of your choice. You can go ahead and add an inner shadow if you want as well, maybe something just like this, whatever the case may be. And as you can tell, there actually is now shadow around the image right here. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add shadow to images here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.